What's up guys, I'm super excited to share this video with you. Today I will talk about the home remedy that we can use to remove our facial hair from our face without any pain. Better still, you can make it within 10 minutes. Yes, you can prepare it within 10 minutes. To get it done, you need the following. These are the ingredients: 3 to 4 teaspoons of raw milk, 2 heaped teaspoons of ground flour, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Those are the ingredients. About the procedure, to make this smooth and to make it this thick, you need to combine all the ingredients in one clean basin or plate. Stir it well until they are all and well mixed. When you mix it well, it will be extremely thick and it will be creamy. After that, apply it on your face. But before you apply it, make sure that you have cleaned your face, you've washed your face, dry it, make it clean. And when doing that, avoid putting it in your eyes and rubbing it in your eyes area. If you don't want to remove your brow, don't rub it on it. And any other part of the hair you don't want to remove, you can leave that side. But every other part, you can rub it. Also remember, don't allow it to enter your eyes. Apply a thick coating also under at your upper lip to remove it if you want to get rid of that hair. And also allow it to dry, as you have said, after you have finished applying it for 10 minutes. About 10 minutes after it has been applied, you can now start to rub it gently with your hands, gradually until they started falling off your face, become lighter as you are rubbing it with your fingertips, gradually until they fall off. After that, you need a lukewarm water to rinse your face, or some also use what they call room temperature water to wash your face gently also. After that, you can pat your face with a towel to get it dried. Within 10 minutes, you will notice significant difference on your face. It will lighten your complexion, remove all the hairs that you do not want from the areas that we applied to make your face. It will also remove any acne on your face. Pimples will be removed and your complexion will become lighter. In addition to removing this, that means you are going to look beautiful or handsome on your face. So, if you start removing hair quickly, it might make you look younger. For 1 month, if you can apply this twice in a week, you will see a very good result. Fairer, brighter, radiant skin. Moreover, to make your face shine. But if you want to look much younger, both in and out, avoid deadly disease, lose weight, have more confidence on yourself, then check the link on the description of this video. If I have added knowledge or understanding to you through this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. I will also appreciate it if you follow me on my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. The links are also on the description box below. See you on the next video, and bye.